The human foot is a masterpiece of engineering, containing 26 bones and 33 joints. When we look at the soles, we aren't just looking at skin, we are looking at the foundation of our entire posture. Today, we are exploring how to release the tensions stored in the plantar fascia to restore natural movement. Notice the delicate structure of the arch. Constant pressure from daily activities causes the connective tissues to tighten, leading to what we call mechanical fatigue. By applying a focused, deep tissue gliding motion along the medial longitudinal arch, we can reoxygenate the muscle fibers and promote immediate structural relief. Moving towards the ball of the foot, we address the metatarsal area. This zone bears the majority of our body weight during the gait cycle. A professional hydration treatment here is not just for softness, it's to maintain the skin's elasticity so it can expand and contract without discomfort during movement. The skin on our soles is unique. It lacks the sebaceous glands found elsewhere on the body, making it prone to extreme dryness and loss of structural integrity. By introducing a high-potency, urea-based compound during the massage, we are simulating the natural moisture factor that the foot cannot produce on its own. This scientific approach to hydration ensures that the protective barrier remains supple enough to withstand the friction of daily life. Now, let's observe the vital role of nail health in biomechanics. Nails that are kept at a precise, professional length prevent micro-trauma inside the footwear. We are applying a fortifying keratin sealer that protects the nail plate from environmental stress while maintaining its natural flexibility. Precision in the nail's lateral edges is equally important for weight distribution. A nail that is improperly shaped can alter how the toe strikes the ground, creating a chain reaction of discomfort up the leg. We ensure the corners are smoothed to a surgical standard, allowing the nail to act as a protective shield without interfering with the natural mechanics of the stride. The final phase of this session involves a lymphatic drainage technique, moving from the toes toward the heel. This helps reduce subdermal swelling and brings a sense of lightness back to the feet. It is the perfect intersection between clinical recovery and aesthetic perfection. To lock in these benefits, we apply a thermal sealing layer that encourages the deep absorption of the active nutrients. This final touch creates a microclimate on the skin's surface, accelerating the repair of any microtears in the epidermis. It leaves the soles not only looking rejuvenated but structurally reinforced for the days ahead. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of movement and care.